How to use Apollo.io. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to show you how to use Apollo.io. And for those who don't know what is Apollo.io, Apollo is an all-in-one sales intelligence platform with tools to help you prospect, engage, and drive more revenue. Sellers and marketers use Apollo to discover more customers in market, connect with contacts, and establish a modern go-to-market strategy. And there is a lot of more options you can do with Apollo.io. Of course, as you can see, the platform is very sophisticated and contains a lot of information that you need. Of course, here we are going to sign up for free, of course. Here you can put your email or connect with Google or Microsoft. We are going to type our email. Then sign up for free. You must, yes, I forgot to check up the signing up. Wait, I think I will go up with Google. Okay. As a disclaimer, guys, this email is created for the sake of this video. It's not a personal email that you have to keep in mind. So here we have sign up for Apollo.io. It is establishing the welcome page. Here, this is a video to show you how to make things up. Here it is a welcome message. As you can see here, you can find emails, calls, and close more leads with our robust B2B database. Here there are some credits that you can earn by accomplishing some tasks. These are currently simple tasks. For us, we will skip. Here you have the platform. As you can see, it is a simple platform. We are going to present to you a little bit of the platform. Here we have our landing page. Here is the home. Of course, you can see as the emails delivered and the call dilated. Of course, we have zero contact, so we won't see anything here. Here we have the prospect and enrich. We have search, data enrichment, the engaged section. We have sequences, emails, calls. Here we have the win and close, the meetings, conversations, the deals. Of course, we have tools and workflows such as tasks, plays, and analytics. And for you to create a contact, here we have to first add a contact such as emails or a that's a personal contact or a company email or something like this. We have to click on search first. Here you can see people and companies and saved list. Here to add a contact, we click on lists first. Here is a presentation video of the website, of course, to help you understand more what are you doing. Here we can click on lists, then people, of course. We have advanced settings. You can include and exclude whatever you want, of course. And here these are the different options that you will get on search from people. Here in this case we have the companies. We can add companies. It's the same as people, but the difference is for people we are adding an individual, and for companies we add in a professional structure. Here we have a list that we have created on the saved lists. Here we are surfing around, of course, and the same adding method of people is the same as companies. Of course, you have to get a list. Here is a list of what are we creating for. Let's name it list 101. Here we have our old list and the new list. Here I click on add to sequence. Of course, here we don't have a sequence. We will create it. Here you can see we click on new sequence. We have AI assisted, pre-formatted, and from scratch. For here I will create from scratch. I will name it, for example, all week sequence, something like this. Or we can name it, you pick a name, I don't know, sequence. Let me think a little bit of a, okay, we will name it 1 2 3. I can't think right now. Here we have a step. Of course we call it a step because it is a program to make automation on emails and phone calls. Of course we will make an automatic email. Here you can send it immediately or after a duration after you have added the email and the sequence. Of course, here is an example of the template that the platform will send to the emails. Of course, here we don't have a contact yet. Here we have to activate it. Then our sequence is ready. Here we will refresh the page. Then we will select add to sequence. We can see here our sequence, and then here is the email that we've set, the testing email. Of course we will be adding this to the sequence. Of course, here after we finished it, we go to home, then we go to sequences. We can see our sequence that we have created right here. Here, since we don't have emails contact or anything as a contact, we can add them manually or from our contact list from, of course, Google or Microsoft that is eligible. Here on the email section we have different options such as deleting or adding some emails. Here is our testing email. Of course, any email you will add will be recorded here. For instance, we have no records found, of course. And here we've come to tasks. Of course, you have a basic plan and upgraded plan, which is a membership. You can upgrade to it if you want. And of course, here we've came to data enrichment. Here it is a welcome message. Here, as you can see, you can import your data or map your fields or whatever you want. It is really organized and helpful. Here we can add, you can see or your CPM or CSV and add them from a file saved on your computer. Of course, for now we don't have anything. For here, for the meetings, we can connect our calendar. For beginners, Google and Microsoft calendars are currently supported. Of course, if you have a set or preset calendar on your Microsoft or Google account, you can connect them directly to here. From here, we are going to sequences. Of course, here is our sequence, our setup sequence. Of course, we can create a new sequence by clicking on new sequence. You have now 4 choices. I will try to create another sequence. Let me back up a little bit. Let's create a pre-formatted sequence. Here is a demonstration of the emails that will be created for this pre-formatted. Of course, here is the automatic emails schedule. Of course, day 1, day 4, day 7, as you can see, and day 10. This is a fully automatic email that will be sent to your prospects or your clients. Here I've chosen event invitation. Here we have 3 emails, 3 automatic emails, of course. We click create. Here, as you can see, our preset emails, we can activate and deactivate them as much as we want. Here we can add a step. Of course, you can add another email, and you can of course add a phone call, but it is under a subscription for the website. Here for the email, I want to add here, I want to add it as a fourth email. Of course, you can get the email AI associated or generate it yourself. Here, this is our email that of course will be sent for the name and with the name of our prospect. Here, as you can see, everything is automated here, and you don't have to spend a lot of time writing emails. You have just to edit some of them because it is curated by the AI, of course, and it has a large base of data on how to create emails. We don't have to worry about this. Here for the contact, we can add contacts. Here, as you can see, prospect searcher, upload CSV, select list, or automate adding contacts. This is their new feature that you can select and they will generate prospects. Here it is, the status is inactive. We will activate it, of course, if you want to get started. Here you can see we are fully set up for the campaign or the sequence that we will launch. Of course, here is our contact list, and here is the activity log. Here you can track whatever you've done, the sequences or emails, whatever you've done, you will get it tracked. Here, this is our settings. Here from the beginning, the name of the sequence, it is a event invitation, the owner, the schedule, of course. Here is the triggers when there is another reply within the same account. You can do nothing. Mark subsequent emails for that account as not sent. Delay subsequent emails, sending that for them. Here, these are simple steps that you can manage, and you will understand them easily, of course. And of course, here the reports will be added to your account when you send their first email and the system start tracking it. You will get a fully detailed report on which client has opened the email and who replied and who was on spam and everything. Here guys, we've gone to the end of the video. I will showcase here the subscription plans for the website. As you can see, we have the free plan that we are on. Then we have the basic, professional, and of course organization. This is a plan for organizations. And here we have come to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.